This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 93 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're fitting a shoulder blade. We've got the War Machines, the EM208, and the redesign of Ed 209. Is that M208? Because it's not ED, is it? Ed 209, isn't it? So this is one of the human-like drones. And obviously, Ed. There we go. Pretty good. I like that. Yeah. Eminent siblings. They've got other flying drone things and stuff. Right, so this is what we've got. We've got a panel which we're fitting to the shoulder blade, and then we're fitting the shoulder blade over there. It's magnetically attached. So I can understand these having to be magnetically attached because you need to get them off to change the batteries. Don't know so much about the front bits. But yeah, that's what we've got today. Next time we get the other shoulder blade and basically finish the back as far as I can tell. So yeah, I'm liking that quite a lot. Robot App Store. Robot App. Robots are always up to date with the coolest apps. Yeah, I don't know about that, but there you go. Update your robots with more functionality. There we go. The Internet of Things, Home Assistant. I've been playing with Home Assistant. Mine doesn't look quite like that, but it's got more, you know, it's got things on it. So yeah, there we go. That's all about that. And that'll do for now. Let me clear this out of the way and we'll get this shoulder blade done. So here we are. There's the only two pieces we've got. That one just pops in there. That way up. Oh yeah, because I had the whole thing the wrong way up, because that's actually the top. There we go. So that holds that together like that. We've got a single magnet on there, and that will be fitting to Mr. Cop himself, Robo as we know him. It's just going to pop in there. This is obviously fit in there for the magnet to attach to, and indeed it does. Yeah, that's quite cool. I like that. It's attached well enough and looks fine. It's nice that he's made of armor panels, so it's nice and easy to have armor panels. I'm not sure how we're going to get that off when we need to, when the other side is in place and we're not going to be able to grab it from underneath. But I'm sure we'll find something out. But that will be next time when we return to finish off this bit. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.